Hey buddies, what's going on? In this vid, I want to share with all of you a super effective method of planting tomato seeds that has never failed me. The seeds sprout really quickly with this method, and the best part is that it will be very easy to transplant the seedlings into larger cups later on. Before planting tomato seeds, you have to soak them in regular water for 2 hours, with no exceptions. Then the shell will soak up moisture, soften, and the sprouts will be able to germinate faster. For this method, we're going to need a container so we can plant all your seeds. Then we will require a standard film or bag for the task at hand. Make sure its size is bigger than our container, for sure. You see, I've already put him in, but he's still sticking out for me. I'm filling it with nutrient-rich soil. It's better to use fluffy store-bought. He needs a lot of it, but the seeds sprout very quickly in it, and then the little shoots grow very nicely. I am filling it incompletely, leaving approximately 2 centimeters at the top unfilled with soil. Ensure to compact the soil. I reckon all of you might be wondering why you need this here package. If you know what it is for, make sure to write it in the comments below this video. But that's a really brilliant idea, and I'll tell you more about it in the video when I'm transplanting the seedlings from this container into separate cups. I'll also reply in comments, and for now I'll keep it a secret, but trust me, it's definitely something you must do. So ensure to do everything precisely as I'm demonstrating you right now. Then we will require the most inexpensive toilet paper. We place it in a single layer, then you have to wet it with water in order to ensure proper moisture. Here are these 2 small cups that I soaked the seeds in for a period of 2 hours. You see, even though it is old, it has all sunk down. This indicates that the seed is still viable. If the seed continues to float on the surface and doesn't sink, it is advisable not to plant such a seed. It's completely dried up and won't be able to sprout. We pour out the water and take out the seeds. I'll be planting 2 different varieties, so I'm dividing the container to make the rows more even. It's so convenient for me, and using a toothpick or some kind of stick, since the seed is wet, it easily sticks. You can also make use of regular paper towels, as well as white multi-layer toilet paper for this purpose. He'll be wearing a few hats. The first function, it won't let the seed sink deeper when we water our container later, and that will significantly speed up seed germination. Moreover, damp toilet paper is superior at getting wet in the vicinity where the seed will be situated. Distance between tomato seeds, 2 to 3 centimeters. Now we take a stick, our rows are even, and there should be about 4 centimeters between the rows, so that when the seedlings grow and real leaves appear, they don't interfere with each other. I sprinkle a thin layer of soil on top, smooth it out, and compact it, pressing it against the seeds. There should be a really good connection between the seeds and the soil, then it will sprout faster. Add H2O. Now I put this container in a warm and dark place without covering it with anything. And after about 4 or 5 days, the first sprouts will appear, and immediately this container will need to be placed on a shelf under the lighting. Right now we don't need light, we only need temperature, plus 20, plus 25 degrees Celsius. However, if for any reason you do not have any toilet paper or paper towels, you can simply plant the seeds in the same manner, but without the paper. The stairs will be slightly delayed, and they may also be uneven due to potential seed failure. But overall, this method will also work for sprouting tomato seeds. So friends, make sure to do exactly what I just showed you and get very fast stairs as well as sturdy seedlings. And do not forget to write your opinion in the comments section. Why did I put a bag inside the container? And I'll be happy to answer you. And stay tuned for the next video where I'll be transplanting seedlings into little cups. There you'll see everything. Now, be sure to subscribe to my channel and don't miss the release of new videos. I wish you a successful day and see you in the new videos. See you later.